Alright, this here will be a basic walkthrough of creating a 3D model rocket with smoke and using version 2.56. Alright, the first step of the process, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the basic default cube. I'm gonna scale it down and we're gonna use scale it up, and this will be used to create the smoke first. Hit the Z key in order to see through it. And we're also going to scale this along the y-axis. And we're going to go into the physics menu and we're going to make this smoke, the cube, our domain for the smoke feature. And we're going to increase this resolution here up to 64. Alright, the second step, we're going to add a plane that's going to need to sit inside of our domain. And we're going to scale that down as well. It's important that it does sit inside a domain in order for the smoke feature to work. And next we're going to go to the particles and we're going to add that. And we're going to make this emission amount 100,000. And our lifetime will be 1. We can go to the physics, and instead of this being the domain, we're going to make this our flow. And also click on and apply the initial velocity. In order to set animation to our smoke feature, we're going to hit the A key. And as you can see, we have a smoke feature that's added into the picture. Alright, the next step what I'm going to do, hit the exit key in order to stop that for a minute, is create our rocket. And what we're going to do is add, for the base of it, we're going to add some code features that we will first go ahead and scale down. Like I said, this is for the base of our rocket. We're going to duplicate this. Rotate it. And for the body, it's going to sit on top of the base. We're going to have a cylinder. We're going to bring that radius down some in order to make it look more proportional. Scale it on the z-axis. We're gonna add some materials to it, and just to add some color and give some detail to our rocket. We're gonna make the base and the top of it red, a burnt orange red. We'll have the body at a white. And last but not least, of course, the top. We'll use another cone for that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the shift key all these pieces of the rocket together, and of course hit Control P in order to parent this unit so they all move in unison. See, okay. And now that we have the rocket complete, we're gonna want to move this right on top of the platform that we had the smoke rising from. And around the 20 mark, say 20, between 15 and 20 mark, we're gonna want to set the rocket in motion. Right here. And to add keyframe animations, what we're gonna do now, we still have the rocket selected, the top of it. We're gonna hit the I key and click location. Move it up some. Set the mark. Let's try this again. And as you can see, sorry, I got some things going on in the background, but this set our rocket into motion. Since we still have the smoke going off, I'm gonna continue to add some frames up to 100 just to fill the buffer. So location